In this section, we'll discuss the architecture and benefits of Web 3.0. So to understand Web 3.0, we need to first understand the current Web 2.0 framework. So this is a simplified diagram which includes the client, servers, and protocols used to communicate, so protocols such as HTTP. In order to provide the internet a way to hold and transfer state, Web 3.0 adds some key components. These include the wallet. So wallets are the core of how users interact with the Web3 applications. Wallets allow users to manage a user's private keys and be able to sign transactions. Wallets also interact with the main client front end to allow a seamless user experience. An example of a Web3.js call can be a payment request. So here, a user is asked to confirm that their wallet can send a specified amount of funds to the application's address. Once the user confirms, the front end will present a proper message to the user letting them know that the payment was submitted. Then the wallet will make an RPC call. Remember, that stands for Remote Procedure Call, to the blockchain server to post the approved transaction onto the blockchain. Another component is our blockchain server. When a wallet wants to submit a transaction to the blockchain or be able to query state information from the blockchain, it makes a call to the blockchain node provider. These blockchain node providers function similarly to how AWS services run today, or our backend services. And lastly, we have our IPFS nodes. So IPFS stands for Interplanetary File System. This is a peer-to-peer file sharing system that changes the way that data is stored and distributed. You'll learn a lot more about this later in the course. For now, just be aware that it truly enables data to be distributed and scale at a capacity for both clients and servers. For example, the dApps that you made so far still sit on a centralized server, but you can make them truly decentralized by putting them on the IPFS server. So while this is the current envisioning of Web 3.0, remember that we're still in the very early stages, which makes it an exciting time to be a part of the space. You have the opportunity to help shape this new internet. So here are some questions up for discussion. Will Web 3.0 completely take over Web 2.0? Or will the two be able to coexist in some way? And if so, how? Will there be dApps that cannot be decentralized? What about the security and privacy concerns of these newly added components? Now, hopefully these new concepts and questions have stirred up your appetite to learn more and help build out this crazy new world.